Well, hello everybody.
Surprise!
Finally got to use the door coming out of our bedroom. This is really cool. Just wish we'd have used it more.
Yeah.
Well, it's another beautiful day, therefore we're back out on the patio. It is day 8 of our trip, and today we're going to Epcot. We have a few more things to tidy up, like some of the holiday stuff going on there. So come and join us. See you later. We're in the Discover lot.
Yep.
Making our way. We're so close to the entrance, there's no need to take a tram. Let's see if we can make it 100% still. We can go. You got it. Yeah. We're both still 100%.
Shockingly so.
Shockingly so. We're right on time. Let's go over there and get her done.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're flying while we input your time transport.
And then begin teaching you rules for physical mathematics. And the math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
Enjoying rock and pop music performed by a contemporary band from Cologne. That's right, let's enjoy the holidays with the music of Dirk und Dirk.
That's right, welcome everybody. Welcome to our Weihnachtsmarkt, our Christmas market here in Germany in Epcot. We are Deutsch und Durch from Germany, and we brought you guys mostly our own music, except this first one. That's a Christmas carol. Here we go. Oh, Christmas tree, your leaves are so changing. Not only green when the summer sees, but also when it's golden clear. Oh, Christmas tree, your leaves are so unchanging and German. Oh, Tannenbaum, wie toll sind deine Blätter. Du grünst nicht nur zur Sommerzeit, nein auch im Winter, wenn es schneit. Oh, Tannenbaum, wie toll sind deine Blätter. Oh, Tannenbaum, wie toll sind
Veggie fruit, fruit, veggie, veggie fruit, fruit, veggie fruit, fruit, veggie, veggie fruit.
I simply have to tell you that my friends who are singing are delectable. Meals are divine as long as you can dine with fruit and vegetables. They're good for you, everyone. They make your meals a lot of fun. Like a It's nice to be with fruit and vegetables.
Sounds like Duchess.
Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being. How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times. Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future.
Just make believe you're a tiny little seed. A tiny little seed that's reaching up to meet your need. With the right amount of faith and the right amount of earth, you'll grow to see the sunshine on your day of birth. Let's listen to the land we all love. Nature's plan will shine above. Listen to the land, listen to the land. Let's listen to the land we all love. Nature's plan will shine above. Listen to the land, listen to the land. When springtime comes, how can you tell? The air is always filled with orange blossom smell. Come summertime, the warmest sun shines, and the world is full of flowers and good melon rinds. Let's listen to the land we all love. Nature's plan will shine above. Listen to the land, listen to the land. Let's listen to the land we all love. Nature's plan will shine above. Listen to the land, listen to the land.
Alright, walk around, see if I can catch me a monorail. Alright, so we gotta find a kiosk.
Yeah. Right or left?
Let's get out in the open here.
Gracias. Thank you, everybody. Muchas gracias. Bienvenidos. Thank you, everybody. Welcome. Bienvenidos al Pabellón de México. Welcome to Mexico, everybody. And Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Muchas gracias. Welcome to the Epcot International Festival of the Holidays. We are Mariachi Cobre. Thank you again for joining us in this beautiful, beautiful day here at Epcot. La Navidad en Mexico, Christmas in Mexico, as it is all over the world. It's all about love, about those friends and family and loved ones and getting together and celebrating the many, many beautiful cultural traditions that we have and that we share with each other during the Christmas season. Now, some of those traditions involve music, right? Some singing, some dancing, storytelling, And of course, food, eating was a great way to celebrate. Yes, Jiko speaks of the birth of Jesus on Christmas Day. This is Fum Fum Fum.
En diciembre 25, fum, fum, fum. En diciembre 25, fum, fum, fum. Ha sido un niñito, el niño Dios, hijo de Virgen María, en esta noche tan fría, fum, fum, fum. Pajaritos de los bosques, fum, fum, fum. Pajaritos de los bosques, fum, fum, fum. Nuestros hijos de coral abandonar, y formar un rey el nido, a Jesús recién nacido, fum, fum, fum.
Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please say hello to our Fiesta Navidad dancers. Yes, they are from Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. El Ballet México Folclórico. With Gris, Fanny, Antonio, and Reinaldo. Bienvenidos, bienvenidos. Folks, these beautiful poinsettias native to Mexico are an important part of our Fiesta Navidad. As the story goes, a young Mexican girl who did not have a gift to offer at the Christmas Eve service remembered that even the most humble gift, if given in love, is truly appreciated. So, she gathered together a bouquet of weeds from the side of the road. And when she placed these weeds upon the Christmas altar, yes, when she placed these weeds upon the Christmas altar, they bloomed into beautiful red poinsettias, just like these you see here today. Now this was considered a true Christmas miracle, and the poinsettia became known as Flores de Nochebuena, flower of the Holy Night, because of the way they bloom during the Christmas season. Muchas gracias, thank you very much. Now, today as our gift to you, we wish to present traditional music and dance from that beautiful southern state of Chiapas.
Get this Best pasture.
Exit. All right. We are going here to Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we have a dining reservation at Jiko The Cooking Place. And hopefully you heard me over that. But we've always had really good food here. We're hoping that it's going to be the same tonight. Okay, at Jiko, we just finished ordering our meal. They brought the wine, and now it's for the toast. Go to dinner.
To dinner.
Nasuzeyo nga nkulowoozako, nasuzeyo nga nkulowoozako, nalya ku nkejje bambi, nanywa ku buugi mwattu. Nasuzeyo nga nkulowoozako, nasuzeyo nga nkulowoozako, nalya ku mawolo.